Shabbat Shalom from Temple Concord. This week I'm actually speaking to you from what is the school office. And the school office is like every other school office. If you look around, there are cupboards and cabinets and filled with things. But there's also something really unique about this space. This picture. This is a mural that was painted here by Barbara Baum, who was our former educator, and her daughter Lisa many years ago. And it's an extraordinary gift to the congregation. It's sort of hidden away, but those of us who know about it come in and peek at it all the time. It shows the Western Wall and Jerusalem and just this wonderful image of the stonework. And it gives for us an artistic image of what it means to be part of a people and what it means to be holy. And it's that piece of artistry and holiness that come together that our Torah portion talks about this week. Truma opens with the idea of everybody bringing their own gifts to help build the sanctuary. And clearly Barbara has brought her gifts of artistry to us in many ways, many times. And if you look around the building, there are all sorts of interesting little artistic things that she's done. But more than that, the question of artistry itself. And so there are very specific instructions about what the Mishkan should look like and how we should appreciate it and what it should be made of. And we ask all sorts of questions, how did they find dolphin skins out in the wilderness? And how did they come up with a brass? And how did they come with a this and a that? And we sit here and stroke our beard and wonder, but the real answer is, it wasn't so much how they found it, but rather that they figured out a way to elevate the everyday into something spectacular. And that's what Judaism teaches, to take everyday moments and make them into something holy, to make them into something bigger than they usually are. And so this week our Torah portion helps us to do that through art. In other weeks and in other ways, there are other means of doing the same thing. I hope you'll join us for Shabbat services. Friday evening we'll be joining together at 6 o'clock here at the temple. Saturday morning, of course, at 11, preceded by text study and by Torah study at 9 and 10 respectively. On Tuesday evening, our Goldenberg series will continue with a wonderful program of string instruments. We hope you can join us for that. And on Tuesday the 23rd, 2 weeks from now, we have the next in our film series, a film called Cupcakes, which is a great film and should be a lot of fun to see and be a part of. For now, though, I wish you a Shabbat of holiness and beauty. Looking at something like this picture of the wall and picking up the details, the two human beings, the parent and child standing together, or looking at what could be a plain wall and deciding, how can I take this plain wall and make something holy out of it? When we do that, when we look at the mundane and figure out a way to make it holy, we bring Torah into our lives, we bring God into our lives, and our world is made a little bit better. Shabbat Shalom for now. Look forward to seeing you at the temple.